speak about communication? Well, take your pick, as there are different ways: mobile phones, instant messengers, email. But how did people get messages in the past? Our ancestors knew that a pigeon will return to a loft no matter how far or long it's from home. Pigeons have been used throughout the history to deliver news from war and peace to stock prices. Probably the world's first regular airmail service was Mr. Howe's Pigeon Post Service, which started in New Zealand in 1896. During World War I, one particularly heroic pigeon was even awarded a medal. North American Indians used smoke signals. After lighting a fire on a hill or a mountain peak, they covered it with a blanket and then remove it, which caused a puff of smoke to rise up into the air. They could change the color, size, shape, number of the puffs in order to convey different messages. The ancient Egyptians, Romans, and Greeks used a highly efficient system when a messenger ran to a station where he shouted or passed the message to another messenger, and so on until the message reached its destination. The inhabitants of the island of La Gomera in Canary Islands, Spain, whistled their messages. The system turned out to be popular and developed into a whole language with 3,000 different words, as a study in 1940 identified.